What else? Why people didn't stand up in this week? Every day I should say that. Thank you. Good evening once again. Spontaneously होना चाहिए नहीं? नहीं होना चाहिए. New people who are new today. Your name? Chui. Full. Meghra. And Gurpreet. Gun. You can call also Kanu. Gun. Chiu. Only Gun. कितना गुण है बड़ा? Which school are you from? Sala. And Gurpreet ji, तुमको पूछा है. ठीक है, कौन सा पूछा है? Right click है कि red click है? Right click. I had already started with a chapter called India size and location. Na? I'll be finishing that chapter today. Taking a notebook, maybe up till that standard meridian and explain the volume next. Did we do up till that standard meridian paragraph? How many were there? 1, 2, I could see. 3 students were. Even she was. Good. Even the first lecture. How many class I had? Only 1. Today we had 2 class. You know that. Okay. So standard meridian, check in a notebook or in the volume, did we mark it? Did I explain it? Standard meridian. No? Okay. So it's on page number volume 135. Everyone pick up to that page. Is everyone having 1 volume at least? Their respective fair notebook. Did you pass on to this new regarding the materials bonus? What are the things you need to bring in? Scale. Thank you. Let me see how she communicates to her. Tell you the same thing. Good. You got it? Yeah. Any confusion? Because I feel my explanation goes to them and they explain in their own statement. Okay. So anyone know what is this standard meridian? Or have you heard about? Is the first time have you hearing it? It's on page number 145. Do you see that? This map. Because there are 2 lines there. One is the standard meridian, another is the Tropic of Cancer. Did you see this? What is this Tropic of Cancer doing with India? Cutting it. Oh, passing through the center of the country. Is it correct? Now, what is this standard meridian doing? How much is the degree? Let us have Gurpreet. Standard meridian, how much is the degree? 82 degree, 30 क्या है? It was standard पर. We should see. 30 क्या है? ऊपर कुछ क्या है? You said that. Yes, you tell me. 82 degrees, 32 minutes. The 30 minutes means. Okay, that's our. How about our Tropic of Cancer? 68 degrees, 7 minutes. Tropic of Cancer. 68. Look at the map I am holding onto my hand. Is this page there in your volume? Is this page there? No, 141. take mine and tell me what. What's the degree of Tropic of Cancer, everyone?
23 degrees, 30 minutes.
20. Tropic of Cancer का degree क्या है? Sit down.
20 degree, 30 minutes.
What does that 30 means? I might have shown you a globe. Just everyone just look into your notebook. I made you to draw in your notebook. Did I draw you a globe? Where is the globe?
So I wasn't able to find that. So I
wasn't able to find this what?
So I have to make a new.
If you don't find this notebook, then next time.
So I will borrow the notes.
See. Everyone, show me the globe. Just read me in the middle. What is the line passing through? Equator. What is the degree for that? Above the equator. How much is the degree? 23.5. Either you write half or 30, it's okay. And come down to the south. Everyone. Where is your notebook? Show me the दूसरा notebook. All kinds of excuses. यार एक notebook नहीं संभाल सकते 9th में. How will you handle the mobile then? Mobile संभाल के रखा है? किधर बता? I told you last class only I push all my 10th standard students out of my class. Shall I do the same thing with you and him? एक क्लास बाहर बैठो फिर सेकंड क्लास के अंदर चलेगा? चलेगा फिर क्या करेंगे? How will you correct your problem? It's not a big deal. Simple. How will you correct? She told that she will. What will you do? Yeah, early morning of के सो जाए. Ugly bug. What is that ugly bug? Pichli bug क्या है? Ugly and pichli. That's right. Hindi word. Pichla bug. This next time Indians are very famous. Okay. Then we come down to the equator ka south. What is that line known as? What is the degree for that? Half degree south of equator. वो बोलना है. And then go down deep south में which pole we have? South pole. Such a wonderful method. Go down deep south. What pole they are saying? North pole. Then go down deep north. What pole they are having? South pole. है ना? Confusion clear है? Who will come to the board and do all this? चलो. ये दोनों जो नोटबुक नहीं लाया आज मेरा बकरा है. पहला first बकरी बेचता है ना? फिर बकरा का. चलो. For the new students, everyone draw the diagrams. Come. New student draw the diagram. थोड़ा सा उनका shape बिगड़ा हुआ है but ठीक. Help them. तो उस तरह gun-free thing की तरफ आता है. Notebook ले तेरा भी notebook है. वैसे फैमिली को. यार आपको कैसे टीचर से इतना अच्छा झूठ बोलता है? Okay, leave it. You don't mind. Come on. Was it 9 lines, sir? Acha, you go ahead. Sit up. जो भी है डायग्राम को कंप्लीट करो. इधर डायग्राम इनकम्प्लीट हो बच्चे ने सिर्फ लाइंस बनाए. Those who are new जल्दी से बनाओ डायग्राम. इसमें गनप्रीत सिंह लिखा है. तो सर यू कैरी ऑन. Sort of a character. Question के पर question पूछेगा कैसे? Every lecture when you rejoin me, understand rejoining me? Last class to this class, you should revise and come. How many seriously didn't turn the notebook? मतलब जल्दी बंद आज बंद करेगा तो सीधा नेक्स्ट थर्सडे खुलेगा जब मैं कर आता हूँ है ना अभी से ऐसा ठीक है at least before one day you should read the notes will you well read जल्दी कर जल्दी टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ऊपर आता है या नीचे जाता है Others keep reading the paragraph, prime meridian one. What my 10th standard do every lecture. They are not studying for me, punishment. Okay. Mark the degrees now. 0 degrees to 1 equal to 127. How about above Capricorn and Cancer? Take it and create. Go to the globe and find out in the volume and come back. Mean and the diagram we have sign the one. Any corrections you would like to make? Come on. You. ठीक है भाई साहब ने कर क्या what is she doing? Check it. Don't believe me. Check in your model. वो वॉल्यूम में ढूंढ रहा है ग्लोब है क्या ग्लोब है क्या देख करो मैंने बनाया ग्लोब इसको है ना यू गिव द डायग्राम टू हिम ग्लोब्स उसको देख मैंने पूछा और तूने तुरंत कैप्रिकॉर्न को ऊपर डाल दिया कैंसर के नीचे रख दिया डोंट बी लाइक दैट she is writing Arctic and Antarctic. Good. Degree of science. Do you will listen to? If you are not active in my lectures and subject, then you have to pay the penalty like this. Good. The next person.
Sorry, sir.
वो अलग है ना आर्टिक सर्कल राइट लोकेशन ऑफ इंडिया लॉन्जिट्यूड एंड लैटिट्यूड क्या half and 0.503088 0.30 north side or south pole. I said north pole, south pole. She has written what is Arctic and Antarctic. So she is writing latitude. Cross check everyone in their volume and the notebook. She writing. Hey helper, what is longitude? 6 degrees. Read sleep. Read for the
27 degrees 6 minutes.
okay. That's okay. Thank you. Now who could tell me she has written north and east and east? You come out and explain to me. Are you karenge? Will you come? It should be north, south and east, west, na? And then why she has written like north and north? Show me. Then turn towards them and say, hey, your name? Neha is giving me explanation.
Because India is in the northern hemisphere
Very good.
and the longitude is to the east in the
Okay, you come up. Acha, Bharat. Listen. Show me the globe where is India located. मार्केट है, तो छोटा सा कुछ बना और बोलो इंडिया। How did I teach geography? Everyone is giving which a country country भैया जी बाहर। हाँ, अच्छा लिखो तो सही इंडिया। You wait in that curve. No, she will not come. She will come. She will be where India is. कैंसर, टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इंडिया का सेंटर से बात हो तो और आप लेके जाके कैप्रिकॉर्न से नीचे इंडिया को मार्क कर रहे ओके नहीं बना भाई मिडिल मैन पक्का दोनों डिसाइड करना टॉस इज होगा आईपीएल का टॉस तो मैंने इस तरफ रखा so the exact location there are no body cutter in the right winger north winger thank you good so is this location of India absolutely correct how I said it is northern it is towards the east and why did we plot it here Capricorn किधर है इंडिया के सेंटर से क्या पास इंडिया के सेंटर से इक्वेटर भी जाता है थोड़ा सा मैप दिखाओ इसको नहीं डोंट वरी यू नो इट्स नॉट मिस्टेक फील फ्री हे लिसन हियर व्हाटएवर इट इज डोंट मेक दैट वी आर लर्निंग करेक्ट है और डोंट laugh on Gunpreet Singh and don't cry at this what's your name Slayer बस हम सीख रहे मिस्टेक मैं भी करूंगा आप भी करेंगे फिर करेक्शन कौन करेगा मुझे करूंगा yes Shreya why did you plot it here you confused तो इधर कौन सा कंट्री है कोई भी कंट्री है hey could anybody tell me how much countries are located in the northern hemisphere percentage wise that also I told you na more than 90% of the countries are located in northern hemisphere only 2 countries southern hemisphere can anybody name अभी जो भी take translate Antarctica country है हाँ
New Zealand and Australia.
Very good. So repeat. Where are they? Northern Hemisphere. South Pole. ठीक और कोई बाकी है बाहर आना तो एक दिन ऐसा भी आएगा जब आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे मेरा टेस्ट चलेगा ना श्रेया और बिंदी I will take my test. Don't take physics or other subject. Are we in a good position to proceed? Like up to उसको नहीं आएगा there is go. So now when we look at this map, standard meridian, 2 things you have to understand. One, we have to find out the time for the country where the whole India has to get the time. What is that time known as? IST. What does IST stands for?
India stands.
Once again.
India stands.
Movie. Once again. आप लोगों को जोर से what it is what it shall I say now it is 4:27 EST GMT IDT IST बोल सकता है ये तो कैशियो का है फिर IST कैसे आएगा कैशियो वॉच का नहीं जी शॉट वाला फिर IST वॉच कौन सा है I'm asking IST वॉच कौन सा है nobody knows somebody told me अब तक वो कंपनी बना नहीं है बनेगा तो बहुत इंडिया का वॉच बहुत
IST watch is the watch that every citizen uses.
every but I'm using a Casio watch is that bacha correct he's saying IST watch is that watch which every Indian should use आप लोग का वॉच का नाम पढ़ो जरा IST रिटाइप है आज बहुत फनी है सब कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग है तो देखा मेरे पास भी है टेयर में मुझे चली गई बेलापुर ठीक है बट आपका होम टाउन बेलापुर नहीं ना बहुत ये महाराष्ट्र पड़ जाएगी महाराष्ट्र में पंजाब का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ? खालसा गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब किधर है? फिर यार हिस्ट्री टीचर बनना नहीं। हाँ पंजाबी होगा, वो भी तुझे मालूम नहीं। पंजाब में मोगा। हाँ वही पंजाब कहाँ से है? रुकना। अच्छा ठीक है जान देते। अच्छा यू आर बिलोंग हियर, ऐसा बोल देना वी आर। बेचारा टेंशन भी फुल है। देखो I also born and brought up in Mumbai, but my origin is from South. Have you heard a place called Madurai? Everyone, where is Madurai? के पीछे। अरे वो तो एक ऐसा गोल्ड कलर का है ना, वो क्या है? वो मधुरी है, टेम्पल है, वो टेम्पल है। Anybody knows that? बेलापुर हिली है। हाँ स्तूप है। मैं भी इधर थे। अभी से मेरा कार उधर से टू व्हीलर वन से फन। और what is that स्तूप है? who's it? मेडिटेशन है भाई साहब, मालूम है बेलापुर का वर्ड क्या मेडिटेशन उधर? पर आप गए उधर? मैं नहीं गया। अच्छा शेयर कौन थे? एक 7 days का कुछ उनका कोर्स शेयर कर रहा है क्या? सुना क्या दीदी से? क्या आउट ऑफ 7 days 6 days you are not allowed to use your mobile phone। पहले तो मोबाइल फोन पहले चले जाते। 6 days तक आप किसी को आंख से आंख मिला के देखते नहीं। हाँ 7th day में आप किसी के साथ बात कर सकते हैं एक्सेप्ट द लीडर। एंड कैन यू इमेजिन मुंबई का तो मुंह बंद करके एक 5 मिनट रह सकते हैं हम लोग। सर मुंह ऑन तो करने के लिए बोलने की देखता है। एंड इट इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट। I had opted for that. I'm into one of the association for last 2 years, and they have called me. But वो dates में match नहीं हो रहा। इगतपुरी सुना है? What is इगतपुरी all about? हाँ सब हाँ जी हाँ पहले बट ये भी है, ये इनका ओरिजिनल जो हेड ऑफिस इगतपुरी से है। 7 days of उसको कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मराठी वर्ड है लेकिन you must do it. You don't do it अभी आपका हाँ you know what about? चलो फिर हम लोग IST पे जमना। She told me everyone must wear a watch which is IST. Is it correct? I'm asking, is it correct? Yes. But look all your watches if you are wearing it. There is nothing IST written. हाँ जी तो क्या करें? तो ये दे दें और IST ले लें। हाँ।
Time on the watch is set.
Oh, according to that, the company IST नहीं है। पक्का? फिर मुझे आज नया है। So how could you set? Cheating, how could you set? Normally, in India, there were 5 time zones. How many? कुछ logic करो कैसा रहेगा 5 time zone? She's saying one is divided into 5 parts. Good. हाँ अलग अलग कैसे? बेलापुर प्लेग टाइम, खारघर प्लेग टाइम अलग स्टेट के लिए। बट इंडिया में तो 28 स्टेट है बॉस। 28 टाइम का होना चाहिए। इंडिया का अंदर रशिया कहाँ से पूछा है? वेरी गुड। ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न पर तो 2 ही हुआ ना। हाँ वेरी गुड। नॉर्थ एंड साउथ 4 हो गया। 5वां टाइम किधर है? हाँ मिडिल। मिडिल को क्या बोलेंगे? हाँ हाँ सेंटर ऑफ व्हाट? अट्रैक्शन। सेंट्रल स्टैंड। Come on, you guys are close. So before the Britishers could establish Central India, Central Meridian का सर, this is a prime meridian. So ये सब मैं थोड़ा सा extend इसमें कर रहा हूँ so that आपको मालूम चले कि ये है क्या। So now I'm taking a flight from Mumbai 4:35 exam. मैं इधर ही कर रहा हूँ flight। I'm going to land in Guwahati, Assam. So that will be the time of the east. And there it will be when I'm landing 5 घंटे का flight है। When I'm landing अभी यहाँ से 4:30 लोग अगर 5 हो गए तो 9:30 होता है। But there I'll be landing at 11:50. So ये क्या है? फिर बेचारा असम से उड़ रहा है दिल्ली में आने का। असम का लोकल टाइम अभी सोचो अभी 6:30 है। And he will land at Delhi at 12:30 local time of Delhi. Confusion. Have you flown with your families to foreign countries? What is the trouble? The first thing you understand, time difference. मैं 15 बार पूछता हूँ भैया ये यहाँ से कब उड़ेगा, वहाँ कब उतरेगा, फिर वो कौन सा टाइम होगा, क्या तो पहले बढ़ जा रहा है क्या? तो मैं तो फ्लाइट देखा भी नहीं है कुछ, तो फ्री देखा तेरे को तो फिर कनाडा का पीआर है, वो आईसी आ गया है, बट मैं नहीं जाता। यहाँ से मैं उड़ा लंदन तक, उनका टाइम अलग था, तो लंदन से टोरंटो इंटरनेशनल स्पेमल वो टाइमिंग अलग था। फिर इंडिया को मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ, मम्मी बोल रही है आधा नहीं मैं बोल रहा, जबकि उधर मॉर्निंग हो रहा। So total confusion. ये सब किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? हाँ, but time की वजह से हो रहा है, but reason क्या है? Earth is round. Rotation हो रहा है, किसका? Earth का। नहीं होगा तो फिर same time हो जाएगा? It is a latitudinal difference. Are all the countries located on the same latitude? No. Have you anybody heard the concept called time travel? It's very fascinating, that is. मालूम है time travel क्या होता है? अच्छा, मुझे बताओ। पीछे ही जाने का, क्यों आगे क्यों नहीं जाता? किसके पीछे जाता है? Fasting. मैं गया था, कल ही गया। बच्चा बहुत अच्छी है यार, मुझे फ्यूचर में लेके जा रही है। क्या मतलब मेरे फ्यूचर में कहाँ जाएंगे? तो लड़की लोग अभी लेक्चर खत्म होगा वॉशरूम जाएंगे, नहीं तो फिर चाय पीने चाहिए। कौन सा फ्यूचर का बात हो रहा है? हाँ, आप लोग ने कुछ सीरियस वगैरह देखा रहेगा ना आजकल, मैंने सुना। हाँ, देखा है क्या है? मतलब अरे बता ना, मैंने तो देखी। Have you heard about a mountain called कैलाश? क्या है वो? हाँ, शिव जी का पोस्टर लगा दे दिए। पिन कोड डालो, अभी आज लेटर शिव जी आप कहीं मिलते चाहिए टेम्पल में रोज दूध पर भी डालता हूँ, है ना? प्लीज बता दीजिए, मैं डायरेक्टली घर पे डिलीवर कर देता हूँ। It is a mount where generally people say it is the place where you can get his divine power. But वहां तक जाना I am possible. What is I am possible? तो जाएंगे हम लोग? अरे मैंने किसी ने बोला सॉरी इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल करना ही हमारा काम है ना, तो वो क्या होता है एग्जाम में तो फेल होता है, वो बात अलग है। Mount Kailash, even today say it is a secretly symmetric, diagrammatically systematic. Irish Mountaineering Club लोग गया था when they were 32 years old. 2 साल के बाद रिटर्न आया, they were 63 years old. टाइम ट्रैवल में चले गए बेचारे। बच्चे ने मुझे कभी फ्यूचर बोला, ये बच्चे ने मुझे पास बोला पता नहीं, तो बेचारा बिना दाढ़ी उसके साथ कहता आते समय दादा भाई एक बंदा नीचे आया। तो they say every 1 month could be plus of 3 or 4 years. उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ ऑल कॉमेडी, जादू है ना? जादू नहीं सकते, कुछ अलग ही है। How many of you know at least what is Bermuda Triangle? तब तो मैं you don't know. That's very sad. क्या होता है Bermuda Triangle? चाइना से डायरेक्ट इधर जाता है। ठीक, हाँ। So why can't you say it in English?
It said that Bermuda Triangle is a region in America,
Not exactly.
almost in the coastal region of America, where mysteriously things are disappeared by getting something to the ocean.
But why only that place? But I can prove one more Bermuda Triangle over Asia, where there's a big flight which is missed. 8 साल हो गए अब तक वो flight नहीं मिला। कौन सा?
Malaysia.
Ooh, what's the number? Flight incident वो number के साथ famous हो गया। MH370. 238 passengers, 2 pilots and 7 बिचारी beautiful air hostess. Seriously, they all vanished. अभी तक मिला नहीं है। तो क्या हो गया उनको? I told you about this Mount Kailash. I don't know how could you मैं थोड़ा सा पहले लड़कियों को दिखा देता हूँ फिर लड़कों को भी दिखा दूँ. Yeah, this is Mount Kailash. You just understand its subtitles भी आता है. Mysterious facts about Mount Kailash. This dog is new notebook. Driving plans review. One last question. One is this. So you write and so next time if you hear anybody speaking about Kailash, ये बताओ उनको. एक साल के अंदर वो बूढ़ा भी हो गया और उनका डेथ भी हो गया माउंटेन की. So when you are climbing, you are only 30. When you have come down, you die within 6 months. And the appearance is almost double your age. उसका गड़बड़ हुआ है ना? क्या? हाँ तो that's what they are saying ना. They might have gone for a trial and error. Come on, everyone draw this. Next time be prepared and come on. You should not take the time. जितना जल्दी आप नया concept करेगा उतना नया मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ. All related to our geography. Somebody told me that there is Pandavgada in Kharghar. Pandavgada in Kharghar. नहीं मालूम. I think 2-3 years before. So इधर पांडव लोग वनवास के टाइम इधर आकर पिकनिक खाना के लिए. ऐसा कुछ है क्या? But I don't think any proofs are there. पांडव इधर आए थे. But the place is called Pandavgada. There's a small. खाने के लिए आपने नहीं दिया उनको. क्यों भाई? हाँ वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. खालकर में कैसे? बोलवा या और कोई रटा तो फिर चलेगा. And somebody told me, I don't know whether it is Pandavgada, na? हाँ. Especially during rainy season only it gains importance. तो थोड़ा सा rapids वगैरह. Again क्या water fall होता है? South में भी है. South के south. क्यों नहीं आ सकता है? But we do not have any records ना that they have come. और उनका history भी north side का है. You don't know, but why the name Pandavgada that has to be? मेरे लिए कोई find out करो research को. Done. So there is a place in UP called Prayagraj. Actually, मेरा नहीं है उधर volume लोगों ने properly mark किया. That's considered to be the center of India. From there, we observe the time, and whole India gets the time from there. जो Zui explain कर रहा था ना? Zui wants to say that we get the time of India from that place only. So whatever is the time in that place, India will be accepting that as the whole time. That is why it is Indian Standard Time. Is it clear? Shall we go ahead? So did you like this kind of teaching? Sure. Okay. But my portion will not be going quick. And come to page number where we are. It is every page number. India and the world, or India and the world. Standard meridian, it is 135. Am I correct? Did we do boundaries? On that day, did we do boundaries? Okay. So I am reading India lies to the east of prime meridian. Underline the word east. Steve plotted me. Sorry, get prime meridian, get standard meridian, get India time. Prime meridian, we have it in the world. Alright, green. And everyone now underline that longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes, 97 degree 25 minutes, east longitude. To follow the time, India has accepted, circle that. 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. Is it latitude or longitude? Longitude as the everyone shaded standard meridian of India. The bracket में लिख लो UP. UP का प्रयागराज वो जगह से लोग ने दिया है. Next, it has the local time of this meridian has been accepted. Underline local time, underline accepted. और Indian standard time के नीचे short form लिखो IST. It has avoided a lot of confusion. Underline avoided confusion. It would have been created due to following underline different local time. Only underline different. It has brought underline harmony throughout the land. What is the other word for harmony? Peace. Is there any piece of time? If I follow different times throughout India, it's going to create more confusion. If you are calling people living in East, and he will say, now I am having the dinner. Only 6 o'clock. Udhar 8:45. So will you be happy to attend your call? No. Why not? So disturbing his dinner time. और फिर आप 8:30 बजे फोन करेगा तो खराटे मार के सोता रहेगा. तब तो फोन करो. So first thing when you call your friend, what is the thing you ask to your friend? Call curtains. तो पहला कैसे पूछेंगे? क्या कर रही है? हाँ सामने से कैसे होता है? हेलो तो हाँ सब मोबाइल खत्म कर देते. हाँ come on, we need to love this conversation. हाँ and prince क्या बोलता है? उसको कॉल कर. तो ये बेला पूछे पीछे आता है होता है. हाँ तो नहीं आए तो तेरी तो ऐसे कैसा? अंतर कैसा? बोलना. जब तो सीखा मुझे सब क्लासेस टाइमिंग लेक्चर ये कभी कोई है ना लगे क्या कर चल कॉपी कोई नहीं तो लाइट फोन कर हां तो बोल मना कम ऑन हां व्हाट एल्स हां फ्री है तो अच्छा हां ठीक है कि देखो ये अच्छा अच्छा है और क्या कुछ खाना वाना खाया नहीं खाया तो मेरे लिए ब्रेक करा. When you use the word harmony, you always try to pacify the person. I mean, I had attended some phone calls of the parents, my own students, sir, मेरी बच्ची रो रही है 12th का बोर्ड एग्जाम सर आप कुछ बात करो. And वो मम्मी ने उस बच्ची के पास फोन किया और वो जोर-जोर से रो रही है. कल इकोनॉमिक पेपर सर मैं क्या अरे नहीं सर मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी. 15 मिनट तो मुझे उसका वो रोना ही आवाज ही सुन रहा. फिर मतलब नहीं सर आधा घंटा से रोया मम्मी ने आपकी कॉल. फिर मुझे और उसको टाइम कर सकते ठीक है बता पहले ऐसे फिर दैट 40 मिनट वेरी गुड सर आई एम हैप्पी. व्हाट डिड आई डू विद दैट? हैप्पी पीस हैप्पी. तो क्या बोला रहेगा आपको लगा so that the girl stopped crying and started laughing. It is very easy for us. Okay. और फिर उसके लिए बोलते पेपर तुझे तो भी देना है मुझे देना है. What else? Come on, now. We get the dialogue.
To get a confidence.
How?
The stress is reduced.
How? अभी मैं कुछ स्ट्रेस में है, मैं उसका कहाँ से reduce करूँ? पूरे काम कर वो सब काट दे. इंसान तो आपके साथ देख सकते हैं. हाँ, very good. कैसे करें? अरे मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, I'm not waiting to understand. How do you motivate a person? Yes. Exam अगर नहीं करेगा तो फिर
You can do everything. You can do everything. You get
everything. इधर मम्मी तो बोलते हैं I can't do nothing. It's a simple thing. Harmony का meaning मुझे लगता है कि through the phone or through my communication or through my presence, मैं happy हूँ. आगे आप पीछे की तरफ है ना? So when I say the word harmony of time, you say very simple. You call that person, उनका time है और मेरा time एक time है. तो तुरंत स्टूडेंट मेरे साथ कौन सा टाइम है? फन टाइम है सर. तुमने कितना बनाया पॉइंट्स ऑनलाइन में? और ये मेरा भी वही चालू है. What is that now popular online game going on? पहले गेम था ना तो गवर्नमेंट का बेटे आप अच्छी वो भी चालू है या बंद है? हाँ.
नहीं अगर सर
क्या है?
That's the only big call up to give you upset.
चल रहा है. ये बच्ची आप खेलता है?
नहीं सर.
अरे खेलो ना.
I buy sir.
तो आई फील देखो वीडियो गेम लेके हमारा स्टूडेंट एक्टिव हो जाता है. हाँ सर हमको मैंने बहुत सॉरी टू से इंडिया इज द बिगेस्ट मार्केट फॉर दिस वीडियो गेम. मतलब है आफ्टर 12 स्टैंडर्ड सम पीपल हैव बिकम वीडियो गेम प्रोग्रामर. हाँ ये तुमका नया स्किल है सर. इतना पैसा है आप कोई गेम खेलो सर और पैसा भी कमाओ. क्या गेम बनाने के लिए
सर बहुत टाइम वेस्ट है. एक दिन में एक दो दिन में एक वीक में वीडियो बनता है.
ठीक है तो 12 के बाद बन जाओ और मुझे सिखाओ.
ऐसे मेरे फ्रेंड यूट्यूबर स्कूल पे उसने बोला कि
स्कूल में यूट्यूबर स्कूल में करता स्कूल में यूट्यूबर स्कूल में जाके यूट्यूब का काम करता हो और घर में आके ट्राई करते.
नहीं सर
देखो one thing you understand when I use about a harmony I and you should be on the same platform. हाँ एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में चलेंगे. When I am calling you should also sleeping. Oh good night. Will you be at harmony to attend my call? No you will not. मुझे तो जब मैं यूएसए का कॉल करता मेरा मम्मी आती तो हर रोज रात में अरे अभी सुबह हो गया बट आपको तो सोने थे. तो इसीलिए the harmony with me no. If it could have been the same time she will be with harmony. So that is what Indian standard time. Is this example clear? Let's proceed. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, underline ये exam आता है. There is a time lag of 2 hours. What is time lag? Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours ahead of Gujarat. So that's why I always say, don't settle in Arunachal Pradesh. What to do? Early morning 7 you have to be inside the school. Early evening 4 you have to drive back to your home. 5 बजे तक पूरा अंधेरा हो जाता है. 5 बजे अंधेरा होता है. ये कौन सा कंट्री? कोई कंट्री नहीं, इंडियन स्टेट ही है. कौन? Arunachal Pradesh. So how much is the time difference between Gujarat and AP? 2 hours. So who see the first sunrise and who see the first sunset? Again Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, India and the world I am going. Come down to page number 136. Indian landmass has a central location. Underline the word central location between East and West Asia. Underline India is southward extension. So many students ask me, sir, it is Indian Ocean, Indian subcontinent. Why not Bangladesh Ocean? I don't understand what I'm asking. Why not Bangladesh subcontinent? Why? She's saying India is a peninsula. I'll take it, go beyond. She's saying it is occupying most of the space. Come on. There should be reason. I say you लोग ने Indian Ocean कर दिया. India has a trade relation. She's saying. How much part of Indian Ocean belongs to India? वो भी मैंने first lecture में बोला था. 11 nautical miles. How much? On repeat. What is it? 11 nautical miles is what? The portion of Indian Ocean which belongs to India. बाकी सब तो India के हाथ में नहीं है. It's only 21 kilometer, 21 point something from 21 kilometer. बाकी जो पानी है वो international boundary, India का नहीं है. So why then Indian Ocean? I asked you the most difficult question. Do you not vocabulary Hindi में तुक्का मारे? तुक्का मारो जल्दी जल्दी. खुशी कुछ तुक्का मारेगा? नहीं. She is little bit correct. Did I teach you the coastline of India? What is the total length of coastline? This is what's happening. 7,500 point 7,515.6 kilometers. No other country in Asia has such long coastline, getting into which ocean? Indian Ocean. That's why it is called as Indian Ocean and Indian subcontinent. Could anybody tell me peninsula, the meaning? Now example, रुको, ये इधर से आएगा, इधर से जाएगा. Maharashtra is a peninsula. अभी आपको बुलाऊंगा फिर golden draw करेंगे. What is a peninsula? Look here. Simple way में exam answer करना. This is I've drawn you this one. A big geographical landmass covered 1, 2, and 3. Sites by what? Water bodies. Here what do we have? Bob. What is Bob? Here what do we have? AS. Akka. Here what do we have? How much kilometer belongs to India? How much nautical miles? Since it is such long boundary, we are saying definitely this is India and Indian subcontinent. No Bangladesh, no Sri Lanka. We are moving ahead. The Trans-Indian Ocean route, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of east, provides a strategic location. What is the other meaning of the word strategic? You can write military, defense purpose, very important. Next, Deccan Peninsula extends in the Indian Ocean. Underline Deccan. Where is Deccan Peninsula in India? Do we have Deccan? Which part of India is called as Deccan? Maharashtra. In fact, we say Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Telangana. Abhi jo Andhra Pradesh hai. ये तीनों को मिलाकर हम डेक्कन ही बोलते हैं. It's something like this. ये Deccan Plateau extend करता है किधर? South में. Generally, Deccan is famous for जो हमारा महाराजा रह चुके हैं. What is the slogan that we raise? Come on. वो तो जय शिवाजी and जय शिवाजी and जय भवानी. भवानी कौन है? शिवाजी की मम्मी. It is a goddess. Before they go to any war, they go and worship this Bhavan. इतना अच्छा रीजन दिया. वाइफ का नाम चला चला कर कोई बोलता है. वाइफ बोला कि घर पे शिवाजी को ऐसा मार दिया. अभी जगह महाराज तो है ना. चलो, let's proceed. This makes possible contacts with only underline Africa, Europe, Southeast and East Asia. No other country. यहाँ उसका answer है as a open bracket. Long coastline on Indian Ocean as India. Open bracket from close bracket there. It is India's eminent position. Underline the word eminent. What is the important meaning of the word eminent? Can you use the word dominant? Big position. The big. In the Indian Ocean, justifies the naming of the ocean after it. What is justifying? It is correct. Write the question in a notebook. Why Indian Ocean? Why Indian Ocean? Why Indian Ocean is referred by the country India? Why Indian Ocean is referred by the name country India? So the answer also marked by the country India. The same point you have to write in your own sentence. Are you understanding? So let's see. This I have done it with my other bachas. They can easily write. Same point to, but write it in your own sentence. Today in the afternoon, something drizzle here. No drizzle. In our area, it was quite a good drizzle. Here also. What time? 1:30 or 2 mass. ये लोग बोले नहीं सब सो गए. अच्छा, but when you come out, you can see the roads are all wet. So Kargil and rain. Which part of Kargil you were in? Let's check. Who has completed the answer? I ask you to write it. What are you doing? Answer to the random answer. But the sentence is not correct there. You have to change it according to the question. So I'm happy that we are good in numbers. And 4 plus 2, how much 6 is it? Can breathe 6 plus 2, कितना हो जाएगा? So he's from her school. You guys are same school, same class. Oh, which school it is?
Also, you can write how much.
Yeah, if you could write, it's good. Don't think, right? Let your answer be the best answer from your neighbor. What you said here, but थोड़ा सा अपना add कर लो. So one sentence answer, my dear students are taking so much of your time. Anybody complete? Oh, good. So he's reading his answer, read, so that let us get the idea.
Indian Ocean is referred by the country India because it has the longest coastline of Asia.
Very good.
India's big position in the Indian Ocean defines the area.
Good, very good. I can give him 1.5 out of 5. Pick के जगह पर इतना लिखो, exam और answer. Good. Who else have completed? Give me the pen. I'll write. Put there. Give me the book. Pen. I have. So how neat and clean he has written. One sentence answer. Come on, you read. She has completed. You completed. And then you have completed. Completely. Wait for me to.
India has the largest coastline in Asia, hence
It is not largest here, longest. Largest मतलब bit हो जाएगा. Cancel it and write longest. And it is not longest coastline in Asia. Now, how do you know? तो दिया है. एशिया का तो नहीं दिया रहेगा, है ना? सिर्फ दिया कि.
so no other country does it.
हाँ, but how do you know that एशिया में और कोई भी country रहेगा तो इंडिया से भी बड़ा हो सकता है. थोड़ा सा careful. Go ahead.
India has the longest coastline in Asia, hence Indian Ocean is big.
Okay, but I have to double check कि एशिया में सबसे longest India का है क्या? हाँ. Come on, person. I forget the names. You.
No other country under this India has a long coastline in Indian Ocean. Because of this, India is Indian Ocean.
But how do we start the answer with no? You have to start with yes. Correct. Next, what's the name? She's writing. You're finished. Then read. Are you? Read. तो जल्दी करना है. Are you able to understand what is the mistake you guys are making? So careful. Okay, let's proceed. So after that, look here. Where we are. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided underlined passages to the ancient travelers, while oceans have restricted such interaction for a long time. If I want to explain the word passages, you should understand the Himalayas position like this. What are you doing? They are so tall and continuous and they are rugged. But there is small passes like this maybe. A small narrow opening through which you can enter India. If not, coming to India from north side is impossible. Literally. And all the three sides, the ocean hai hamare paas, ocean and sea hai. So what are these passes are? I can name certain passes are. Anybody have heard this? Khyber and Bolan or Bolan passes. But इधर हमारा BSF boundary का border security force to government of India ने लगाया. So you see any movies where they are climbing Mount Everest, it is not from India. Then from where they can climb Mount Everest? Huh? Very good. And which other side also? Pakistan side. Sorry, good Pakistan side. India के side से ऐसे दिखता है mountain. So can you climb a mountain which is 90 degrees exactly above your eyes? It's not possible. Have you heard about certain South Indian community people? Lord Ayyappa. अरे उस टाइम पर प्रसाद अच्छा मिलता है बच्चों लोग अय्यप्पा करके कुछ फेस्टिवल आते हैं वो तो मालूम है Come, I think this winter they will get it. I had gone to that mountains and there are 7 mountains. Mountains nahi hill hai. But then you have to do some hard penance. 45 days you can't wear shoes, footwears, nothing. You have to walk. OB mountain पे चढ़ना उससे भी बड़ा challenge. 3 times a meal not allowed. Only 1 time a meal. Early morning 4 o'clock you have to get up, and that is the time South has good winter, and you have to jump into the water. Such cold. And no shaving, no beautifying, nothing you have to. You haven't done all this. Not done. You haven't seen. And they wear that black color clothes only.
एक बार बाहर खाने गए तो भी एक अंकल ने चप्पल ही पहना था
तो पूछा नहीं अंकल को क्या भाई क्या अंकल ये क्या चल रहा है आपसे
वो उन्होंने बोला तो क्या
क्या तुम्हें फेस्टिवल
क्या
At least I have heard about this god name, God Ayyappa. Suna hai? Will you do some googling for me after the break? We'll discuss. Chal, let's. How good you are. The ideas of Upanishads, underline, and Ramayana, stories of Panchatantra and numerals could reach many parts of the world. Because although very few foreigners are there who have come to India, but they understand what is Ramayana, what is Mahabharata. Have you heard about ISKCON? Do we have ISKCON here in Kharghar?
Yes.
Where is it?
Yes, Sector 6.
Achha, wo sector 6 hai kya?
Near Sector
Achha, near. I know 2 places very popular in Kharghar, right from day one when I settled in Palm Beach. One is this building, another is that building. मुझे sector पे तो आता नहीं है, सीधा ISKCON में जाता हूँ. ISKCON is called as International Sri Krishna Consciousness. Started by Sri Prabhupada, I'm not very sure, 1935 or 36, all the way from California. Now they have a big centers all over the world, close to 200 big temples are there. Such a big temple is coming in a place in West Bengal called Mayapur. और उसका जो डोम है, उसी का करोड़ों का खर्चा है, मैं कभी बताता हूँ. I'm not promoting them, but I'm saying. So what is this Bhagavad Gita? It is सुना है? What's that Bhagavad Gita? Where Lord Krishna is teaching whom? Arjuna. What is that? Please do your duty. Don't wait for the result. And never expect anything from others. The biggest expectation, the biggest grief they can give you. ऐसा कोई है जिसको आप पसंद ही नहीं करता है, लाइक ही नहीं करता, वो आपको दुख देख सकता है, दे सकता है आपको? नहीं देगा ना, वो तो आप उसको पसंद नहीं करता. बट बोलते सर, he is my darling sir, ये मेरा इसके बगैर में जिंदा नहीं रहेगा. He or she only will make you unhappy. Is it correct? तो मैंने बोल रहा हूँ कृष्णा का teaching. That is Bhagavad, Krishna, and then Ramayana. So these are all the teachings have come to you. Since we have not allowed the foreign invasion through which side? North side. समझ में आ रहा है? I'll just read one line and then leave you. The spices, open bracket, muslin, and other merchandise. What are merchandise? You can write goods taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, underline influence of Greek culture, architectural styles from West Asia can be seen in underline only different parts. So we are having very small para. Afterwards, I will be just doing 2 maps with you. Then we will be jumping into economics, the chapter called Story of Village Palampur. Everybody got economics? Good. Enjoy your 5 minutes break. I'll sharp join you in next 5 minutes.